Hello, new world.
My whole life was based on a lie. I can't go back to the way things were.
A real man doesn't avoid hard things. He faces what scares him.
Will.
Get dressed and buckle up, fool.
Take off the foo-foo. Take off the cloud chase. Take off the Wi-Fi.
We need to talk. The house just isn't the same when
Will's not home.
There's a real world outside.
What's going on, Will? Just want to take care of myself. I've been staying in South LA. Where'd this money come from? Just a couple street ball games, no big deal.
You stepping to what?
Okay, now I'm worried.
I did what I did for Will's sake.
West Philly Will is back, baby.
But he's reverting back to his old ways.
Let's go. There's this big-time scout, and he's helped a lot of dudes get to the pros.
That fancy Bel Air team got you and your game soft. If you come work with me, sky's the limit.
A quarter meal, hella fine, though.
We need to talk about our partnership.
You're a boss. I'm just trying to bring it out.
If you don't set the tone, she's just gonna keep on walking all over you.
I was trying to be someone different. The BSU, the protests, all people see are my mistakes.
Never ever let anyone try to change you.
Serving up a look,
can't believe you're going back so soon.
dancing in a drought.
Well, babe, you know I can't sit still for too long.
Hello to
When is it my time to feel valued? I wish to create a legacy where we are represented.
I think it's time you take the gloves off, babe.
Right, Carlton?
Colton!
You need to watch your mouth. Maybe I am on the wrong team.
We can't be friends anymore.
We can't do this to you. Fight for your principles.
I have anxiety trying to fit into this goddamn Bel Air bubble.
We all need to step up. You got any Jeffrey wisdom?
None that you want to hear.